Hi, welcome to Glaston and our support room. Here I'll be giving you a brief insight into our Insight services. What is Glaston Insight? It is an ecosystem where all of our machines are connected. This creates process and service intelligence for you. And in practice, this means being able to see what the machines are doing whenever, and further enabling you to give you advanced reporting and increased production efficiency. Some of our Glaston Insight services include My Glaston for seamless information flow, the support room where we are currently standing in for fast global corrective service, and also the spare parts arena, which can be found under My Glaston. For increased production performance, we have Reporting Pro, Assistant Pro, our newly launched Glaston Siru app, and different kinds of integrations such as recipe and data integration. For preventative services, we have IoT-based maintenance alerts and machine health checks, which are visible here in our support room. Nextly, I'd like to tell you a bit more about My Glaston. It's a one-point access for all of you customers, which is opened during your new projects, where you'll be able to find machine-related information such as electrical and technical manuals. And furthermore, this is a key access point for the spare parts arena and Insight Reporting Pro. Next up, we have Insight Reporting Pro. So what is Insight Reporting Pro? It's an online reporting for production development with various filtering and comparison options. And it's a cloud-based software, so it'll constantly be improved with further developments coming in the future. And as I previously mentioned, it is found under My Glaston. Taking a deeper dive into Insight Reporting Pro, there are 5 different pages that are visible there. First up, we have the overview page, which has a general view of your machine data. First off, with machine state summary, loads by glass type, and number of loads by glass thickness. And the glasses are separated by clear and low E glass. Next page that we have is the production page. In the production page, you'll be able to see average bed utilization, which is a big concern for many companies and mostly overestimated by customers, as the average bed utilization is roughly 35%. Next up, we have average bed utilization by thickness, and then we'll be able to see produced square meters by date, as well as number of loads. The production is also compared between square meters and glass tons, so you have the option to view it however you deserve. Next page, we have energy consumption, and all of our machines are very energy compliant. Here you can see more in-depth data about your energy consumption for the machine. We have separate graphs for average energy consumption by kilowatt hours and energy consumption by date. And on the comparison page, you'll be able to see quick time buttons for if you want a certain time period, or compare by machines the energy consumption. This applies also to the production page and machine state page that we have coming up next. So the machine state page is a more in-depth look at what we had on the overview page for machine state. We have the machine state summary, production hours, availability, and machine state by day. And by hovering over the question marks on the page, you'll be able to see how each of them are calculated. Last but not least, in Insight Reporting Pro, we have the iLook. This will display the iLook quality data, and we have here as well 2 graphs for average iLook quality values and distribution of iLook values. This can also be separated by thickness if you wish to view a certain glass that you're producing. For the process assistance, we have Insight Assistant, primarily, which is standard in our FC series, which creates automatic heat profiling for all the loads. An optional feature is Assistant Pro 2.0, which gives heating time adjustment according to the loading pattern, convection adjustment, and air balance adjustment. An integral part of our production is eye control, And this is something that is necessary to bring you up to speed with the future. We offer iControl upgrades as well as iControl already installed in our new machines. With the iControl, you'll be gaining access to our Insight ecosystem. This further gives you process and quality control, intelligence and automation, higher energy efficiency, and for other performance improvements. Here are other various options that you'll see that become available with the iControl. For example, Glass Edge Control, integrations to external systems, Insight Assistant and Insight Assistant Pro, as well as the Vortex Pro Convection. If you're interested in more details, please visit glaston.net/glastonline.